Hello student, after a very long time I am interacting with you through my YouTube channel and I believe that you all are very fine and you are must be doing something good in your life. Okay, so student, in this short video I just want to give you some small techniques and small tips to improve your performance in the final 3 hours. These are not the ordinary 3 hours. These are the most important 3 hours of your life, and these 3 hours are going to decide your position, decide your respect in the society for your whole life. These 3 hours you have prepared a very hard manner. You have struggled a lot in the last 2 years to perform in the best manner in these 3 hours. So just I want to give you some small techniques and small tips so that you will improve your performance in these life deciding 3 hours. Before anything, I just want to tell you student that you are the very lucky and you all are the very special student. Why? Because every year, every student, they can revise the whole syllabus, maybe for the 1 time, maybe for the 2 time, or maybe for the 3 time. But you are very lucky and you are very special. Why? Because you have prepared the entire syllabus not for the 3 times, it may be 4 or 5 times. So you know your all the subject in the best manner. And by this hard preparation, by the so many times of revision, you can face the examination in very comfortable manner and in the very best manner. And this will help you to face your examination in the best manner. You can face any kind of question. It may be easy, it may be difficult, in the very easier manner. Because you have prepared so many times, you have completed the whole syllabus so many times. Look student, this is the final show of your life, and in this show you have to show your real talent, your real intelligence and your real knowledge level to the rest of the world. You have to prove to this world that you are not like just another element who just born on the earth to increase the number. You are here to do something best for the rest of the humankind. You are here to save the human race. You are here to make this earth a better place to live. You have to prove your existence to this world. You have to prove your DNA to this world. You have to prove your DNA of your parent, which is there in your blood, to the rest of the world. So student, be 100% confident, be 100% motivated, so that no tension, no problem can disturb you in those 3 hours, the most important 3 hours of your life. So now student, come to the main point. A day before examination, what you have to do? You have to collect your I card, your Aadhaar card, your identity card and your pen, pencil on that day. You have to keep that all the things in a safe place, so that on the next day you will find these all the item in the very short time. Then the most important thing, and it is above than anything else, even it is most important than your examination. What is that? It is you. Because this examination you are giving in the period of the COVID-19. So on the examination hall, you have to follow the rules of the social distancing. You have to take a small bottle of sanitizer with you. Remove these all the stickers so that it become completely transparent, and they will allow, please use this kind of a light colored mask. Don't wear the black colored mask. This kind of transparent sheet, then that become awesome for you. So student, please take care about yourself. You are the most important person for your family, and your existence is even more important than this examination. Student, please remember your roll number, because you have to write your roll number so many times in the numerals, in the digits, and also in the word. Please do the practice to write your roll number, especially in the words, because many students, they at the time of the examination, they write their roll number in the word, so that consume the time unnecessary. You are going to have such kind of question paper. In this question paper, you see, first you have to write the name of the candidate in the capital letters. In the next part, you have to write your roll number. Then in the next part, you have to write the roll number now in the word. And I have told you that you have to do the practice to write the roll number in the words. Then in the next part, the center of the examination, you have to write your examination center. Okay, then here you have to do your signature. Okay, so first again you have to write your roll number here in the numerals, in the digits, and same you have to write your roll number in the words here. Then you have to write your name in the capital letter. Again you have to write your name other again in the capital letter. Then center number and center of the examination. Then you have to read these instructions very carefully, that in the first one it is given only blue and black pen are allowed. Then they said you have to dark the circle completely. You have to dark the circle completely. Please darken the complete circle. After that, only dark the one circle. Okay, only you have to dark the one circle. If you dark the more than one, that considered as wrong. If you cross the one and again complete one circle, that again wrong. Any other kind of thing has to be the wrong. You have to dark only one circle. Okay, because no changes are allowed in the answer key. If you do anything wrong, then that question is considered as the wrong. Okay, please do not mark anything on the OMR sheet. What many students do, they started to solve their question on the OMR sheet. Wherever they find the space, they started to solve the question, which is wrong. Okay, then rough work must not be done on the answer. Must not be done on the answer sheet. In the OMR sheet, you have to only mention the answer. You have to only take the answer. You don't need to do any kind of rough work here. Then in the next part of the sheet, you have to write your roll number here, and corresponding to your number, you have to dark the corresponding circle. 1, 1, 2, 5, 2, and I believe that all of you have the practice to do this kind of thing. Then center number, again you have to dark the complete corresponding circle. Then test booklet number, and again they have given the instruction to you that you have to write the response. In the response, you have to dark the complete circle. And very important information is given here. The candidate should check carefully that the test booklet code printed on the side 2 of the answer sheet is the same as printed on the test booklet. Okay, these two codes has to be the same. In case of discrepancy, the candidate should immediately report the matter to the invigilator for the replacement of both the test booklet and the answer sheet. So you have to be very careful. You have to check the code on the both
your booklet and side 2 of the answer sheet. For any option which you choose, you have to draw the circle completely. Here again you have to do your signature. Before handling the answer sheet to the invigilator, the candidate should check the roll number, center number and test booklet number has been filled and marked correctly. These instructions you have to follow. Again you have to check. Okay student?
And student, what happens in some questions? Like last year we have a question of the surface chemistry. In that, two options are correct. But in that question, you have to choose the best one. Sometime in some questions, there are two options are correct. So in that case, you have to choose the option which is universally accepted or which is most correct. And student, please remember that you have to use your rough page, your rough space in very careful manner. Okay, if you are solving the question number 3, then please use the space near to the question number 3. Okay, what happens sometimes it happens that I have solved the question up to the half. But I know I can solve it further, but because of time, you have moved on. Then at the end of the examination, again you have the time and again you want to solve that question. But you have did the calculation in a very wrong manner. So you cannot find where I have solved the question and again you have to solve the question from the starting. But the student who utilize the rough space in the very proper manner, he will or she will find that particular step very easier, in the very easier manner. So student, please utilize the rough space very carefully. It is not the rough, it is the fair work for your examination. Student, the most important thing, the marking the bubbles in the OMR. Okay, what I personal advise to you, please mark the bubble at the same time. What many students do, they solve the question paper first and they take the answer in their question paper and they feel that I will fill the entire OMR at the end of the examination. And what happens at the end of the examination? They mark in the sequence A, B, C, okay, D, then B, then C. And what happens? If one mistake you have done at any point, then that mistake will be carried out for the entire examination and you will find that mistake at the end of the examination. So student, please very careful, this is my personal advice. Whenever you solve the question, okay, bubble the circle at the same time. It hardly takes the 1 second. Okay, and this will reduce your chances of the mistake. And I believe, student, that you will perform the best of you in this examination. You will make your teacher, your parents, your brother, sister proud. And I believe that in the next year, before the Teachers' Day, I will wish you the Doctor's Day. Okay, you will give me the chance so that I will say the Happy Doctor's Day to you before you say the Happy Teacher's Day to me. So I am waiting, student, for that day. And please make your parents proud. Please make your teachers proud. My blessings, my best wishes are always with you. I pray with the God that you will have the best selection this year with the lots of best wishes and love. Your Amit Kumar Gautam, and student, please do the best in this exam. And again we will meet very soon. Thanks a lot, student. Goodbye, student. Best of luck.